Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. The Tourism Enhancement Fund, TEF, is now accepting applications for this year's staging of its Christmas in July trade show. Interested companies and individuals are being asked to complete an expression of interest form via the TEF website and submit all required information by May 10 at 5 p.m. The event provides an opportunity for local producers of gifts and souvenir items to promote their products to alternative market segments. Products may range from categories of desktop solutions, spa and aromatherapy, decor, clothing, fine art, jewelry, souvenirs, food, and products created from organic and natural fibers. Since 2014, the Christmas in July trade show has showcased more than 1,000 local manufacturers and artisans who have earned approximately $150 million from the tourism industry and corporate Jamaica. Consumers paid an average of 3.7% more for apparel between March 2023 and March 2024, the RJR Newsroom reports. These price movements were influenced by supply chain movements and overall increases in manufacturing prices. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, STATI, says for the month of March alone, prices of items in the group clothing and footwear moved upwards by 0.2%. The cost of clothing and footwear each increased by an average of 0.2%. One-on-one educational services, the e-learning solutions provider, saw a 27% fall in revenues to $111.37 million compared to $153.45 million in the corresponding period last year. Operating loss for the 6 months amounted to $31.99 million relative to the operating profit of $22.13 million reported in 2023. Operating loss for the February quarter amounted to $15.29 million compared to 2023, when operating profit was $8.27 million. During trading on April 19, 2024, the top 3 advancing stocks covered the finance and transportation sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. MFS Capital Partners Limited shares advanced by 20.83% for a 30-cent price increase to close at $1.74 with 14,143 shares traded. First Rock Capital Holdings Limited US dollar shares advanced by 12.9% for a 1-cent price increase to close at US 5 cents with 14 shares traded. Knutsford Express Limited shares advanced by 10.88% for a $1.12 price increase to close at $11.41 with 324 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on April 19, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the food, finance, and transport sectors. Everything Fresh Limited declined by 10.34% for an 18-cent drop to close at $1.56 with 1,016 shares traded. JMMB Group Limited 9.5% shares declined by 9.93% for a 14-cent drop to close at $1.27 with 810,423 shares traded. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares declined by 7.37% to close at 2 US cents with 726,047 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange trading on April 19, 2024, registered a volume of 888,396 shares crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $7,274,534 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 60 cents. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 782,440 shares changing hands for a value of $3,421,549 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 82 cents, followed by Agustini's Limited with a volume of 36,363,000 shares being traded for $2,509,047 Trinidad and Tobago dollars. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On April 19, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $61.5 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $57.1 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.35 and bought the US dollar for $155.20. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.10, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $5.54 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.40 and bought for $108.86. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $8.39, selling it for $196.17 and buying it for $187.78. For our credit report tip of the day, your credit score acts as your financial resume when applying for a mortgage. A higher score can help you secure better interest rates and loan terms, potentially saving you thousands over the life of your loan. With a strong credit score, you're more likely to qualify for a larger loan amount, making it easier to purchase your dream home or invest in income properties. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.